Hi everybody, so today I want to show you something really cool, a way to copy viral TikTok and YouTube short content without wasting time and how to do it super easily using Vidalgo. Now when I say copy, I don't mean stealing videos, I'm talking about replicating the same style, the same structures, the same elements that make these videos successful. So here's what we are going to do. I'm going to walk you through the entire process from start to finish, step by step. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create videos just like the big viral accounts. Alright, now instead of spending hours writing a script manually, we can use AI to do it for us. That's where ChatGPT comes in. So here on my Figma, I picked a TikTok video that performed really well. You can see it right here. It's the one with thumbnail. I watched it, I liked the structure. Let's try to recreate something like this. So the first step was I wrote down the full transcription of that video. I just listened and typed out everything that was said. This gave me a clear structure word for word. Then once I had the transcription, I went to ChatGPT and asked, can I get multiple scripts to tell this story in several parts for TikTok? I pasted the transcription right below. And ChatGPT gave me a full breakdown, several parts, each with a hook, a body, and clean CTA. So now I had everything I need to move on to Vidalgo. So I open up Vidalgo and I made sure I selected the right tab, prompt to video. In the prompt box I enter a short description of the video ID or something like. Then I move on the setting at the bottom. First I choose the language. In my case I go with English. Then the music. Here you can choose between calm, dramatic. I take motivation. Next is image style. You can go with animation, photography, sketch, realistic. For example, I take animation. Then comes the voice. Again, you can pick Emma, James, Sophia, something serious or more friendly and conversational. And then there's the parts people something forget, script style. This tells the AI how the script should be told. You can go for surprising fact, provocative, questioning, direct call to action. For this video, I can take questioning. And here you can choose different subtitles. For this video, I take almost subtitle. Once all that is done, you can click on generate video buttons. Now I wait about 1 to 3 minutes while the platform creates the video from scratch. And just like that, the video is ready. I can download it. That's how I go from viral videos to transcription, to ChatGPT prompts, to a finished. Let me know in the comment if you want more breakdowns like this one, and I'll see you in the next video.